Hello viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to talk about A Pinch of Snuff by Manohar Malgonkar. A Pinch of Snuff by Manohar Malgonkar is a very interesting, engaging and entertaining short story. Manohar Malgonkar was a great novelist, essayist, writer of travel logs, and others. Manohar Malgonkar wrote 11 novels, short stories, many short stories and essays. Manohar Malgonkar was born on 12 July 1913 and he died on 14 June 2010 in Mumbai. Among the novels of Manohar Malgonkar include Distant Drum, The Prince, A Bend in the Ganges, The Man Who Killed Gandhi, The Devil's Wind, A Spy in Amba, Bombay Weaver, The Garland Keepers, among others. Malgonkar was a great author of fiction and non-fiction in English. He was also an army officer, a big game hunter, a civil servant, a mine owner, and farmer. Manohar Malgonkar got education at University of Mumbai, India. Now let me talk about the story A Pinch of Snuff. A Pinch of Snuff is a very interesting and entertaining short story. In this short story, the writer depicts Nannu Kaka very humorously and laughingly. Nannu Kaka is a villager. He puts on kurta and dhoti, which are very neat and clean. He has long moustache. His moustache strikes the people. He puts on a turban upon his head. He puts on shoes which are also of great interest. In short, Nannu Kaka strikes others. He is a very clever and tactful man. He goes to Delhi by train on a third-class ticket in second-class compartment. He manages the affairs so tactfully that he goes out of the platform along with his kitten, which travel free of fare. His nephew, who is an under secretary under the union government, central government, receives him and he takes him to his residence, to his dera in Delhi. Nannu Kaka asks the under secretary, who is his nephew, maternal nephew, have you made arrangement of my interview with the welfare minister? The under secretary says that he is not able to conduct interview with a minister. The under secretary frankly tells a minister is a step higher than God. A secretary is one step higher than God. So he cannot arrange interview with a minister. Now, Nannu Kaka manages the affairs. He asks his nephew to hire a royal car, grand car. He hires a car from a car dealer. He goes to the secretariat, to the North Block in New Delhi, to meet the welfare minister. He runs from office to office in the North Block to meet the welfare minister. One chaprasi sends him to another chaprasi. He spends a lot of time there, but his meeting with the minister is a far cry. At last he is told that the minister will see him after 3 days. Nannu Kaka comes back, but when he returns, when he comes down from the office of the minister, he writes falsely the address in the visitor's register or visitor's book. He gives the address of his nephew, the under secretary. He mentions that he is an astrologer of Maharaja of Ninor, and it is imperative to point out here that the minister is to marry off his daughter with the son of the Maharaja of Ninor. Earlier, Nannu Kaka meets a person. He impresses him deeply. He tells him that he has influence, and by dint of his influence, he can provide, or he can get his son have a foreign assignment. So Nannu Kaka is in the habit of playing tricks upon others. Now the welfare minister himself comes to Nannu Kaka to meet him. Thus, the story tells us how Nannu Kaka manages his affairs, how he succeeds in getting the welfare minister in Delhi. The story is full of humor and fun. A reader is bound to laugh when he reads the story. Thanks a lot.